very loose version of the theme to the Odd Couple TV show written in 1968 by Neal Hefti. I have it capoed up here on the first fret. Everything I say will be relative to this capo. So if I say I'm playing an E minor, it's going to look like that even though that's truly an F minor. This is the key that is in the theme song if you want to play along with the video. I mainly am playing just bass and melody notes. Sometimes I do include an extra note with the melody. This first run is an E minor and an A. I'm only playing 3 strings. I'm playing the E and the A for the bass. And for the melody, it's E, G, and then when you get to the A chord, it's A, G, and you can play the note below the melody note. But just remember the bass is keeping your timing. After the intro, the melody looks like this, continuing on with the E minor and A chord. So starting with the E note, B, A, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, E. And that's all with the E minor A combination. And then there's an extra E there before you move to the next phrase. The next phrase consists of an A minor 7th and a D 7th. The melody for this A minor 7th D combination looks like this. And what that is it's an A, E, D, and then when you get to the D chord, it's another E, back to the A chord, E, D, C, to the D chord, hitting a D for the melody, C, B, and back to the A chord, hitting the C for your melody, and then to the D chord, hitting the A for your melody. So up till now we have next section, which is a C major 7th with the melody on the B note, 2nd string. what that is a C major 7th. It's hitting the B for your melody, and then G, A. I do this B7th chord with the 3rd string open, and then on the 2nd fret. And then a C major 7th again. E minor. G, A, B. And then you move to an E minor chord, hitting the D as your melody. B, A, G. And you go back to another C major 7th. And then to a B7. So for this 3rd C major 7th, you hammer on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then open D on the 2nd string. And then you go to an E minor, hitting an E, D, and then a G chord, hitting a B, A, G, and then you move to a B7th chord on 5, 4, and 3 strings. And you've got a couple of measures there of a rest, so you're gonna hit your F sharp here on the 6th string, and then start the song over. So the C major 7th run looks like this. And then the whole thing repeats up to the C major 7th part. The second time through on the C major 7th part looks like this. Just like the first time. First C major 7th, just like before. And the next C major 7th is just like the 3rd C major 7th from before. And then here you go to a C chord, hitting a C in the bass, and a G for your melody. G, G, E, and you go to an E minor, hitting the G as your melody, G, E, G, hitting the G as your melody again. And then you walk up the G chord to the D, and then to the B flat. An extra 2 measures there.